Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Arita. If you are stopping here for the first time, welcome, and if you are not, well, welcome back. Okay, so in today's video I just want to show you guys how to achieve this soft glam look, this subtle look that you could actually wear for date night, or maybe when you're hanging out with your ladies or with your friends or your friend. I say with your friends and your friends. Okay, just when you are trying to hang out with your ladies, or trying to hang out with your man, or trying to hang out with just going out for a date or whatever, you can just wear this look. It's subtle, it goes with anything, just a soft glam look that you could just wear for date night. So if you want to watch, or you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching this video. Let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so before I begin any makeup look, right, I usually start with wiping my face off. I'm going to use a baby wipe. This is actually from, what's the name of this brand? This is Scent-Unique. Okay, so if you want to get something like this, you can actually buy from any convenience store close to you. You can buy the one that is in your range. So I'm just going to take one or maybe two and wipe my face. After wiping my face, I usually go in with my vitamin C serum. So I'll show you guys what I'm working with. I actually got this from Naveen Haven. It's on Instagram. I will put their link in my, I'll put their link below in the description. Okay, so I'll just take. Next, we are going to go in with our sunscreen. This is an SPF 50. It's from Ultrist. I also got it from, that's a lot. I also got it from Naveen Haven as well. So you can actually, I'll put it in the description, don't worry. I'll put it in the description. So I usually just use my hand and work that into my skin. Just make it dissolve into your skin, right? So all in, all in, all in. Oh, and it feels really good. So it acts like a moisturizer on your skin. Oh my god, this feels good. With oil block. This I got from Zaron. Maybe around your T-zone if you sweat a lot, and if you don't, and just skip this step if you don't want to use it, right? But just go in with a little around your T-zone, especially your nose. And I sweat a lot around my forehead, so that's what I usually do. I just put it on my T-zone, especially on my forehead and my nose, right? Because I don't want sweat. Sorry guys, I have to actually do a voiceover. I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to mix my Elip Girl and Ziggy foundation to get the color for my skin. I'll just go in with that, light taps on my face. Then I would go in with my beauty blender and blend everything out. Okay, but first I would actually spray my face with rose water to make it moist for me to be able to blend that all in with my beauty blender. So I'm just going in, I'm dabbing my skin with my beauty blender to just blend everything all out. Yeah, so I had a little technical issue, so that's why you don't hear the audio. So after the foundation, I go in my concealer. This is actually a new brand that I got from Nawahawa Beauty. I'm going to put the store in the description so that you guys can also check it out. Yeah, so I'm just putting that in my the places I want to get highlighted, right? Then I'm blending that out with my beauty blender. I'm blending my forehead, my under eyes, and the bridge of my nose as well as my chin. Then I'm just using a little underneath my cheeks, right, to just give it that snatch. Then I'm going in with my black opal translucent setting powder to just dab that into my skin to just put that concealer in place, right? Yep. So next I will just bake the face a little bit and just let it sit for a while I draw my brows. I actually skip this step because I have a detailed video on my channel, so if you want to watch that, I'm going to put the link here. So after that, I'm just going to dab in that concealer, just to blend that all in. Then I'm going to go in with my benign white to just put on my crease to just have that nice base, so that my eyeshadow just comes out a little bit. Then I'm going in with this Newborn eyeshadow by Juvia's Place. I'm going in with this maroon shade for my crease. Then I'm just going to blend that out with my brush. I'm dabbing that into my crease. Then I'll actually blend that out with my brush. Okay, I also went in with these two neutral shades to also blend out the crease. Just a quick update anyways. I was filming the video, and halfway through the video I realized that it wasn't filming, right? Okay, so we'll just try to make do and try to salvage the situation as much as we can. I feel like the only thing we actually missed was the eyeshadow, but what I actually used for my eyes were the Newborn palette by Juvia's Place, and I went in with this shade and used this for the shimmer shade in the middle, and then I tried to use these two colors to blend the crease. So yep, that's it. Then I went in with lashes. Okay, so next up I'm going to try to contour my face. This is crazy. I don't believe this thing was not recording. Okay, so I'm just going to boop, 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 boop. Try to walk in really fast. My hair is just getting in the way of me trying to move. Okay, so what I'm actually using is the Ezekiel foundation because it's like really dark. This cocoa number 053, and I'm going to use a flat brush to actually blend that in. I'm not going to go in with a beauty blender. I'm just trying to work fast because this Ezekiel foundation actually dries in really fast. I'm trying to blend that in quickly, as quickly as I can anyways. I need to just get that. I'll just use my powder. I'm going to use the same flat brush, which I'm not supposed to, but I cannot find my powder brush. Okay, I'll just go in with this is my powder. This is mineral and this is in the shade medium. So I'm going to go in with that same brush and I'll just cut it here to just give it that sharp look. Then I'll just go into my under eyes. As well as the rest of my face, right? Just take that to my neck a little, just a little, and then my forehead. All right, I will just go in with, I'm going to go in with my brush to just contour my nose. I'll use that same ZQ for the nose contour. Just take a little, not so much, just take a little and then just put it right here, and yeah, then I'll go in with a flat brush. This is what it looks like, and I'll just contour my nose with it. I'll use the brush to just blend out everything. Trying to be as fast as possible because this decay dries up really fast. Now going to the other side. I'll blend the rest into my brows. I'll go in with my powder one more time and just try to take away those harsh lines from the contour. I'll go in with my mascara to my lower lash line and just put that in there. I'm going to use my shiny blush palette. I'll go in with this peach shade. I'll go in with this pink shade. So I just dab. This is what I have on my brush, and I'll just go in. Beauty. This is my Younger Beauty Candy Glow. I'll just use that to highlight my cheekbones. I'll go in with the same brush. Let's take that. But not too like. For this look, I'm going to go with a nude lippy. So I'll be using a brown pencil. I'll use a brown pencil. This is Davies color 18. It's actually what I use to draw my eyebrows. So I'm going to use that on my lips as well. Okay, right now I'm going to go in with my pink gloss from this is actually color 7 from my shiny collection. This is actually from shiny cosmetics, right? So I'm just going to go in with that on my lips. Dip again my gloss and then just put it on my lips. I'll also go in with Classic. I don't know the shade, but it's just a nude gloss. It's just basically a nude gloss, and I don't know the shade, so I'm also just going with that as well. Okay, then to top it all, I will go in again with my rose water. After my rose water, I'll actually go in with my setting spray or makeup fix from ZQ Cosmetics. This will help the makeup to stay all day, so I'm just going to let that dry. Okay guys, how about I fix my hair and I come right back and we finish up our video. Okay guys, I'm back with the finished look. This is what it looks like. It's just a subtle look that you could, you know, wear for date night, or maybe when you're hanging out with your girls and your people at night or whatever. So this is just a very subtle look that you could go with. It's not so harsh, at the same time it's just giving vibes and all. I'm not dressed yet, but definitely after this, so definitely I just wanted to show you guys the complete look, so I'll get dressed and I will head out with my look. Okay, so thank you so much for staying to the end of this video, even with our technical mishap. Thank you so much for staying till the end. And yeah, if you like the video, please do well to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as well as share with your friends and family, people who would love to watch this video. So thank you so much. Bye.